4WD. Navigation. Flex Fuel. This is your chance to be the second owner of this attractive-looking 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, kept in great condition by its original owner. Don't get stuck in the mud holes of life. 4WD power delivery means you get traction whenever you need it. If the Chapman emblem isn't on the back of your vehicle, you probably paid too much.